Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be unboxing my new vlogging toys for 2019. I ordered these stuff on Lazada during the Chinese New Year because they had some promotions. I have 4 boxes here. I have this one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Now I'm going to open the first box. This, guys, is the Canon EOS M50. There you go, guys.
Wow!
Oh. Inside, they placed the receipt and warranty card. That's from the seller. This is the camera. Strap. Battery. The battery charger and the cord. What else? And the lens. This is the kit lens, 15 to 45 mm. And the main body, the Canon M50. I try to turn it on. I'll put this battery in. I had to set it up first. There are 3 main reasons why I bought this camera. First, there's a dual autofocus function in 1080p. Second, an external mic can be placed here on top. And third reason is the flip screen goes to the side and it can change angles. The second box is this lens filter. There. It's from Spiderfire, made in Germany. This filter, UV filter, goes on this lens, 49 mm. On to the next box. The next item is the Rode VideoMicro for the external mic. Let's see what's inside. This is what's inside. It has the handle for the microphone, the plug, and a dead cat. No, it's the microphone. This is the microphone inside. Yeah.
But that one is called Dead Cat.
Yeah, this one is called Dead Cat. It's for the wind noise. I'll try to attach it on the camera. Here. It goes right here. And look. It would look like this when attached to the camera. But with the cord in it, it will not be moving. So it will be fixed like this. On to the last box. They gave me a free item. The last item is a gimbal from FeiyuTech. This gimbal is actually compatible to different kinds of cameras, from the G7X, the M50, the GoPro, cell phone. It can fit here. I chose this gimbal because it's small compared to the Yaung or Yaung. But I will not be attaching the camera right now because the moment I place it here, It needs to be balanced. That's it for our unboxing, guys. The Canon M50, the Rode video mic, and the gimbal from FeiyuTech. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for supporting this channel. And if you have comments, comment down below. And if you have suggestions on what you want me or us to do next, please do so on the comment box. Until then, bye.